Hey, oh, I can do this. Okay. Hey, friend. Oh, nothing at home. Trying to learn this TikTok dance. Oh, y'all going out? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that place did just open up. I heard about that. Oh, you want me to go too? Okay, yeah, hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to pass. I know, girl. I gotta watch my budget though. All right, well, thank you for inviting me. Okay, bye. Yeah, I'm gonna have to miss that. Okay, so listen, at this point, it costs $100 to go outside, which means it is imperative that you and we bringing in some extra money for 2023. What's up, good people? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Alex, and then welcome if you are new. Go ahead and pull up because today we're gonna talk about how you can start a print-on-demand business and sell on Etsy. Now, you're probably wondering, girl, what is print-on-demand? What is that? Talk to me. So if you have a desire to have a shop online, like on Etsy, but you don't wanna have inventory, then print on demand is the business model that you want to look into. So what you do, you create a design and you put it on a t-shirt, a mug, or some type of physical product that you want to sell, and then whatever print on demand platform that you choose to use will ship that product to your customer. Now, when it comes to print on demand platforms, you can either use Printify, which is the one I personally use, or you can use Printful. Both of these platforms are free to join. All you need to do is create an account and then boom, you done. Once you've created an account with either Printful or Printify, then what you want to do is go ahead and register an Etsy account. If you don't already have one, all you have to do is register and open up a shop, fill out all of the necessary information it is for you to have that shop, and then wham bam, you are done with that as well. So it doesn't take long to sign up. So once you have your print on demand platform open and you have your Etsy shop created, the next thing you want to do is connect the two or integrate the two, so that way your print on demand platform and your Etsy shop are talking to each other. So then when a customer goes and purchases a product from your Etsy shop, the print on demand platform is going to ship that product to your customer. That means you don't have to worry about having inventory, shipping everything out, the hustle and the bustle of going to the post office. You eliminate all of that stress because you have a third-party vendor that's pretty much doing all of that work for you. The reason why I think this business model is going to be super convenient when it comes to bringing in the extra coins for 2023 is because you can do this if you have a full-time job, if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student. This is what I think is a flexible e-commerce business because you can literally sign up and start selling in that same day. So once your Etsy shop is open and once you have your Printify account, if you use Printify, once you have that set up, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is start thinking of your designs. Now, this is where it takes research on your end so that way you can know what products are selling, what designs are popular, what type of fonts, what type of colors. When it comes to creating designs, I suggest that you do an extensive product research, okay? Because you want to make sure that you're not wasting your time looking for designs that's not gonna sell. So I'm going to give you 3 websites you can look into when it comes to designing, and if you want to create the designs yourself, okay? Because listen, we are all about being self-made on this channel, because if you're anything like me, then you also like to put the design together yourself and just see it from start to finish. So the first website you want to look into is called Creative Market. It is free to sign up, and all you do is pretty much just look for a design that you want to sell, and boom, you just have to pay for it. Now, the great thing about Creative Market is that it has thousands of designs. You just have to purchase them, but each one of these designs should come with a commercial-free license. What this means is you have the permission to buy this design and then put it on the product to sell for a profit. You always want to make sure that the designs that you purchase are commercial-free, so that way you're not getting in no type of trouble and you doing this legally, okay? Because then nobody got time to get in trouble, and you never want to risk your shop being jeopardized or being taken down because you're selling designs that aren't commercial free. The second website is called Creative Fabrica. Now, between me and you, I don't know if it's pronounced Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica, but child, anyway, this is a good website that you could also use when it comes to finding commercial free designs to sell for your print on demand store. The third website is called Kittl. Now, Kittl is also a free website for you to use, and I'll leave a video right here for you because you can actually create designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, whatever physical product that you desire to sell on Etsy for free, but all you have to do is pretty much design it yourself, okay? It's super beginner friendly, and then once you finish creating that design, you can also sell it without having to worry about if you need a commercial license because it's already built in once you create the design. So people buy with their eyes, right? So if they see a shirt and they're like, oh, I really like that, that's because your mock-up is pretty much telling them how good they're going gonna look when they purchase that shirt. So when it comes to finding mock-ups, I would suggest finding the mock-ups that fits your brand's vision, fits the tone of your brand, how you want your customers to, you know, think when they buy this product, and so on. So make sure that you are looking at what other shops, you know, what their mock-ups are looking like, how you can either recreate that or make it better. Again, you want to create a lifestyle around your design. So you got to make sure that your mock-ups are selling your design so that way your customer feels good about their purchase. Now you can find mock-ups anywhere, okay? You can find them on Etsy yourself. You can find them on Creative Market. You can even go to Place It. But when it comes to deciding on what mock-ups to use, this is where the product research is going to come in handy because you can see what mock-ups are selling well. Some people have bestsellers by selling the flat lay style of mock-ups, and some people have bestsellers selling the mock-ups where you have an actual model. It all depends on how your design looks on that product. So I don't think there's a wrong way of having mock-ups, but you really have to be careful and know how to find the right mock-up so that way you can have a potential bestseller for your Etsy shop. Okay, so now that we've got all of that out the way about how to get started, what to do, where to go, and how to get it all done, now let's talk about the money. So let me just keep it real with you. You're gonna need some money when it comes to starting a print-on-demand business, okay? Now you're not gonna need a lot of money, but you're gonna need a small investment, okay? In case you're unfamiliar with how print-on-demand actually works, right, as far as like the back end. Whenever a customer purchases a product from your Etsy shop, that means that Printify gets that order. Now, although they paid for their product on the Etsy side, on the back end, that means that you're gonna have the funds so that way Printify gets their money for the shirt they're about to print for you. So you need to make sure you have around, let's just say, right, in a perfect world, you can have between $200 and $500 sitting in an account. And the reason why I say that range, because I think that's honestly very realistic to get started. Because when you purchase that t-shirt, that means you're purchasing Printify or Printful for that t-shirt for them to make it and ship it out to your customer. So all of those fees is what you're paying for, okay? Now, I'm gonna make a separate video on pricing, so just subscribe so that way you can stay tuned and you won't miss out on any information regarding print on demand and the logistics behind pricing. But I just wanted to let you know that when it comes to having a print on demand business and the startup costs, yes, my friend, you will need money, but not a lot of it. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. From what it sounds like, does the print on demand business model sound like something you want to start in 2023? Leave your comments down for me below, but as always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It feels so good to be back talking about selling online, e-commerce, everything. I'm the e-commerce queen at this point, and I love selling products online. I find it super enjoyable, and I love it, especially now that I can do it from the comfort of my home. Be sure to subscribe if you're liking the vibe, and as always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I'll be back in my next video. Bye, y'all.